So boom, we just got 60,000 credits, guys. Yo, what is up, guys? 𝗟𝗓𝗡𝗞𝗦 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get a shit ton of credits and breaking points. Let's begin the video, guys. The first thing you guys need to do is go into your exploit folder. I'm currently using 𝗟𝗓𝗡𝗞𝗦, guys. Then just go into auto execute, boom. Make a new text document. You can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name mine ASD. Paste in the script, guys. It's going to be in the description of my video. Make sure both these options are true. Then just go ahead and close it, save it, and yeah. Now go into your exploits options and make sure you guys either have auto launch or auto attach enabled. So now just go in the game, guys. Boom. You guys can see I just joined the game and it automatically executes the script. You guys can see it right here. I'm gonna open up my credits just so you guys can see how much credits we have. And I'm actually gonna fast forward this part just so you guys can see how much credits we'll make. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, guys, is the first couple of times that you guys get credits is going to be like a really low amount, and then like after like a specific type of game is gonna give you guys like a ton of credits. And yeah, so boom, just got some credits, guys, from doing absolutely nothing. And just wait, guys, you guys are gonna see how these credits go up like a loss. So boom, we just got 60,000 credits, guys. This is like so OP. I'm not even sure how it works, but it works, guys. It's completely legit. I'm gonna go to the shop. I'm gonna go to gun skins. I'm gonna buy this thing. Boom, as you guys can see, I just bought it. And you guys can see that like these credits are completely real, guys. It's not even fake. So boom, just got this. I'm just gonna keep on doing this, guys, just so you guys can see that these credits are real and they're not fake. And yeah, that was basically it for the entire video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and peace.